Hi, in this video, I'll show how to define a rigid column group under a circular foundation. From the Define menu, I click Selection Mode. Then I double-click the circular foundation I added earlier. This opens the Foundation Properties window. Here, I enable the Deep Foundation Ground Improvement option. Then I open the Deep Foundation Ground Improvement tab. I set the pile diameter to 0.60 meters and the pile length to 8 meters. I select Jet Grout as the rigid column type for this video. Next, I open the Polygon Foundation Geometry tab. I select the circular foundation from the polygon list. Then I click Refresh to update the drawing. Now let's define a rigid column group under this circular foundation. As mentioned in the previous video, we use SX and SI to set the center-to-center spacing close to these values. For circular foundations, spacing is taken as the distance between column centers, and the columns are arranged along a circular axis. Now I keep SX and SI set to 3. I click the Add Group button. As you can see, a rigid column group is added under the circular foundation. Now let's reduce the spacing. I set SX and SI to 2.2 meters and click Add Group again. As you can see, the number of columns in the group increases. Now let's reduce the offset distance from the foundation edge. I set this value to 1.1 and recreate the group. I click the Apply buttons to apply the changes. As you can see, we've added the rigid column group under the circular foundation. From the View menu, I filter the visibility of the objects on the screen. Then I turn the filters back on. Thank you for watching.